Yeah, I'm Shivani. I have a pretty bad skin, so I always thought that makeup will never suit me. But once this workshop is done, I'm pretty confident that I can carry the makeup well. Um, Teaching was very good, and I'll recommend all to take this session.
Thank you. What did you like about the class?
All the products those were suggested were according to my skin. I mean, all products were never uniform for all. According to my skin, the products were selected, used, and the correct application of each product was suggested.
So you like that?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Divya. I was actually recommended this class by my mother, who signed me up for it, and it was basically because I have no idea what to do with my face when I go out, and yeah, you usually don't listen to what your mother says. So she says maybe a professional can help you. And initially I was hesitant, but then she sent me the entire details and even the message to attract students. The post that was sent out for this workshop was so detailed. You knew exactly what to expect, and not less and not more. You got just that. And what I liked best about this class was the teaching, because you can have all the products, anything you can get online. Like I mentioned before, my age, everyone gets all the knowledge from YouTube. But I love the teaching, and now I know how to apply that to the products that I can get. So I loved that.
So what difference you found learning from YouTube and from the class?
There's clarity. I mean, my questions were answered. On YouTube, my comment gets lost. So, there was a lot of personalized question answers that were done, and each person had their own working station. And every time we did our own thing, own application, we could ask our partner as well as the teacher. So we had time given to ourselves, and in the end, the teacher would come and correct us. So it wasn't exactly spoon feeding, but not also just completely left on your own. Just the right amount of guidance.
You said it right. So it was like we made you aware about the makeup and not just teach you do
Yes.
this and do that.
Right.
So there were a lot of don'ts also.
More than the do's.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Hindi.
हाय, मेरा नाम नीतू है। मैं ऑलरेडी प्रोफेशनल मेकअप क्लासेस कर चुकी हूँ, बट कभी मुझे खुद के ऊपर मेकअप करने का कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आया था, जो मुझे यहाँ से मिला है। और काफ़ी सारे क्वेरीज थे जो मुझे यहाँ से काफ़ी सारा सॉल्व हो गया है। आंसर है।
और आप बोल रहे थे कि प्रोफेशनल टिप्स भी मुझे बहुत सारे मिले, वो मेन बताओ।
मैंने पर्सनल क्लास लगाया था, लेकिन मुझे प्रोफेशनल में बहुत सारे फायदे हो गए।
ओके, थैंक यू।
Okay, myself Soumya James, and I'm an advocate by profession, but I love to do makeup, and I'm very keen to learn the makeup. So I get to know about these classes from the Pula group, and so many times I have seen the ad, but this time I get the opportunity to join this seminar. And I would say that this is more than the basic course. It's not just a personal makeup course, but more than that. You will know about the different kind of products, and you will know what type of skin you have, which product suits you, and most of the thing, the teacher, the guru, she is just perfect, awesome. She's not just a teacher, she's like a friend. You can ask anything and she will answer you. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Loved having you. Yes.
हाय, मी वैशाली. मी एक हाऊसवाईफ आहे, पण मला मेकअपविषयी काहीच माहीत नव्हतं. पण मला एक आवड होती मेकअप शिकायची. त्यामुळे मला असं वाटत होतं की आपण शिकावं, आणि एक मला भीती वाटत होती की मला जमेल का, की मी करेल का. पण मला एक आवड असल्यामुळे मी ते जॉईन झाले. पण मग तुम्ही इतके सुंदर मला म्हणजे हे केलं, सगळ्या प्रोडक्टची माहिती दिली, व्यवस्थित सांगितलं, आणि मला आता म्हणजे भीती वाटत नाही. त्याविषयी म्हणजे छान.
आता खरी परीक्षा उद्यापासून आहे, जेव्हा तुम्ही घरी प्रॅक्टिस कराल.
हां ठीक आहे.
कारण मी करेक्शन करायला नाही आहे, सो प्रॅक्टिस करा. अजून परफेक्टली आलेलं नाही आहे, यू हॅव टू प्रॅक्टिस, राईट. हाय.
Hi, myself Komal. Actually, I was recommended this by my sister. Actually, she was the one who would be doing here. She wanted to attend the class, but for some reason she didn't come. And I'm thankful she didn't come, because I got to learn so much from her. And the guru is really, really friendly. You can ask anything to her. She'll answer all your queries, and everything from the brush, the applications, everything is being taught here. So So please enroll yourself as soon as possible. It's really good class.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Udita and I'm working in IT company. For me, makeup is the confidence that we wear directly on our face. So for me, like I was not at all confident to put like single, I can say, liner or anything. I couldn't apply face powder also on my face. So here I joined because of my elder sister. She suggested me. She got the post from Hula and she suggested me. So I came here and honestly I have learned a lot. Like this is just a 2 days class, but then I have learned. I'm feeling like now I'm confident. I can at least I can do makeup to myself and to my sister also. And
Good.
I got to know about the products, and the main thing and importantly which I have noticed here, that everything like right from the products and the applicator, everything was there in front of us, and there was no restriction. Our guru is the best. She has answered to our every questions. So I would highly recommend to join here.
So you feel you need 2 days to learn so much?
Yes, I think I at least means this was.
So 2
the
days are
syllabus-
required.
Yeah, this syllabus was not for 2 days. I think you have invested so much in this. So thanks to you that you have guided us right from the brushes, and as Komal has already mentioned, everything like from the product, which product is recommended for my skin. So this was the.
So what do you feel like? Is it okay if we squeeze in hair and sari draping and all in this class? Will it be too much?
Yes.
So
We
can
will
you
not be able to concentrate on the face actually if we squeeze a lot of things here.
because once you start doing you have so many queries, so it's not easy. So what do you feel, Divya? Huh?
Fabulous, worth it.
No, like only makeup, or you need a lot of things in the class more?
No, I think it's step by step. We should
As
go
per
with
the
one
person,
step at a time
class
actually.
is more than enough.
I think for people who do want to learn that can also happen, but it could be a different workshop.
Yes.
Together,
Not
if
squeezed.
you club everything in, it's very difficult to even absorb the knowledge that we got in 2 days, hence the writing down everything.
Yeah.
I don't think even while application, I think we've done at least 3 attempts till now, and I don't think we remember everything. We still have to look at our notes.
Yes.
So if we get more information, it will be a little hard to absorb. So maybe
Yeah.
different workshops.
So 2 days are more than enough for.
For this,
Yes. Okay. Hi. So we have somebody all the way from Akola. लातूर. तुझं नाव सांगशील?
आय एम सुषमा थोरात. मी लातूरून आली या क्लाससाठी. मला असं वाटायचं की मी दुसऱ्याचा मेकअप करू शकते पण स्वतःचा काहीच नाही. पण या क्लासमध्ये आल्यानंतर असं वाटतं की मी स्वतःही छान दिसू शकते. तर त्यामुळे मी
तू ऑलरेडी छान आहेस.
त्यामुळे मी खूप हॅपी आहे.
तू काय करतेस आणि?
मी सध्या सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग आहे. लातूरला जॉब करते. माझं हॉबी आहे. माझी खूप इच्छा आहे की मी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनावं. यानंतर मी छोटे छोटे असेच काहीतरी करून मोठी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट होईल.
वा, व्हेरी गुड. हाय.
हाय, माझं नाव प्रीती आहे. मी प्रोफेशनली बँकर आहे, पण मला मेकअपची आणि छान दिसण्याची आवड आहे जी सगळ्यांनाच असते. FB वरनं मला मॅमच्या 2 दिवसाच्या वर्कशॉपची माहिती मिळाली आणि मी इथे लगेच ॲडमिशन घेतली. खूप छान शिकवलं मॅडमनी. त्यांचं नॉलेज खूप आहे आणि त्यांना ते दुसऱ्यांना द्यायला खूप आवडतं. हा त्यांचा स्वभाव खूप छान आहे. 2 दिवसात त्यांनी सगळ्या प्रोडक्ट्सची, सगळ्या ब्रशेसची, जे काही मेकअपमध्ये चुकीचे गैरसमज असतात ते सगळे बाजूला झाले माझ्या मनातून आणि खूप छान प्रॅक्टिस घेतली. याच्या पुढे पण मला त्यांच्याकडे डिटेल शिकण्यासाठी यायला खूप आवडेल. ही खूप करेक्ट प्लेस आहे तुमचं टाईम आणि तुमचे मनी इन्व्हेस्ट करण्यासाठी. सो नक्की जॉईन करा क्लास अँड थँक्यू मॅम.
थँक्यू.
Perfect class, perfect teacher.
थँक्यू. जसं तू आत्ता बोलली की खूप मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग्स असतात. सो एनीबडी वॉन्ट टू शेयर के क्या मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स है और क्या क्लियर हो गया? बिकॉज मेकअप बोले तो एवरीबडी हैज़ सम सेट फॉर्मूला. हैवी आइज करो, फिर ये ऐसे करो, फिर ये पार्टी में जा रहे हो वो करो. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू अंडरस्टूड इफ समबडी वांट्स टू आंसर? some crux of the class.
बेस लगाना क्लियर, मतलब बेस लगाना क्लियर है, सब लोग बताते नहीं कि कौन सा बेस आपको सूट होगा।
सो बेस आपको लगता है बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और क्लियर होना.
और प्राइमर वगैरह जैसे कहते हैं कि प्राइमर लगाना है, फिर जब स्टार्ट टू एंड ये वाला प्रोडक्ट होना है तो दैट इज नॉट नेसेसरी, यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो विद द बेस आल्सो, सो देयर इज नो नीड टू यूज लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स.
Yes. सो योर किट कैन बी लिटिल, छोटा सा किट और फटाफट आप रोज का मेकअप कर सकते हो, बट आपको प्रोफेशनली करना है तो यू नीड लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. सो येस, दैट्स अ बिग लर्निंग फॉर एवरीबडी जनरली इन द क्लास. सो एनीबडी वांट्स टू शेयर एनीथिंग और डन? थैंक यू.
Thank you.